It's back, isn't it? The darkness. I can feel it. Here's the thing about fighting demons. They never come at you when you're strong. You're having a good time. Life's in order. No. They only come after you when life is beating you down and you feel like you've lost. You haven't lost. You haven't lost anything. You have survived 100% of your bad days. Life has come at you a million times in a million different ways. You're still here. Just like me. So here's the thing about fighting demons. You don't have to fight alone. Fight with me. Fight with your friends. Find somebody to fight with you. If I know one thing about fighting darkness, is that it can be beaten. You can win. It's what we do. Don't give up. Don't give up. You got this.